Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Juju in Brawl Stars. To begin, understand that Juju is an aggressive, high-skill playstyle centered on quick, decisive engagements. You will need to master precise timing and excellent aim to consistently secure eliminations. This strategy focuses on applying constant pressure and outmaneuvering your opponents, turning every encounter into an opportunity for dominance. It's about being unpredictable and impactful. For the Juju playstyle, selecting the right brawler is crucial. Focus on characters with high burst damage and excellent mobility, like Morty's or Stu. Their star powers, such as Morty's creepy harvest for sustain or Stu's gasoline for rapid supercharges, are essential. Equip gadgets that offer quick escapes or extra damage, like Edgar's hard landing. Always prioritize speed and damage gears to enhance your ability to engage and disengage swiftly, giving you a significant advantage in skirmishes. Effective Juju play involves mastering map control and tactical positioning. Always use bushes and obstacles to your advantage, setting up surprise attacks on unsuspecting enemies. Focus on flanking maneuvers to cut off their escape routes, ensuring your eliminations are decisive. Prioritize controlling central areas of the map, as this dictates the flow of the game. Crucially, learn when to fully commit to an attack and when to strategically retreat, preserving your health and super for the most impactful moments in the match. To truly master the Juju style, practice advanced techniques like predicting enemy movements for precise shots. Learn to chain your supers effectively, using one to quickly charge the next, maintaining relentless pressure on your opponents. A common pitfall to avoid is overextending into enemy territory without proper backup. This often results in being eliminated and losing valuable map presence. Always adapt your strategy based on the enemy team's brawlers and their individual playstyles, ensuring you remain one step ahead in every match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.